Thank you for the opportunity to present to you my vision of interactive marketing and how it is redefining our marketing capabilities. Marketing is usually defined as the process of communicating the value of a product or service to customers. So it is very important to understand the communication process and current and future trends of customers' media consumption patterns. Obviously, the way customers live their lives, including everything from shopping to entertainment, has significantly changed in recent years. This means the landscape of marketing has evolved as well into a new phase. Let's have a look at some of the research done on the main customer groups. 92% of 18 to 34-year-old age group uses internet. This is the highest internet penetration rate of any age group. Also, they watch online video more often and spend much less time than older groups with traditional TV. The younger generation of 8 to 17-year-old, who probably are our future customers, spends about 7.5 hours per day on digital medias, for example, smartphone. So what do they do with this much time spent on internet? Well, social networking is one of their online hobbies. People now share everything on Facebook and Twitter. Even you live next door. I probably prefer to say happy birthday to you through Facebook. We watch movies and read books online. 89% of consumers search online to help them make decisions on purchases. Our mobile phone has become a mini computer that we carry wherever we go. So what are the implications of the new lifestyle? Consumers still want to receive brand value and offers. What has changed is when, at what touch points, they are most open to influence and how you can interact with them at those points. Business must invest into optimizing interactions and delivering relevant content in the digital channels. That means business need to invest in where consumers are actually spending their time. With digital channels and touch points, marketing is not a one-way but a two-way process now. Consumers and prospects are able to participate in the process of building a brand's image or communication in a certain market or target group. Message received in these channels or touch points is more effective, and consumers have the capability to complement or modify the message to fit his or her perception and share with their circles. So now, customers have all kinds of access to information about the companies as well as feedback from other customers. With brands become more defined by actions and not simply words, social network, search engines, and mobile device give our customers even more power. So it's important to adjust the marketing strategy and goals to optimize customer interactions and deliver relevant content. A core aspect of this vision is the adoption of a new approach of how we communicate to our customers. The shift from having to find customers to pitch the offers to managing customer segments with unique attributes to whom we can provide relevant offers, messages, or experience. Only then we will achieve ongoing customer dialogue and thus customer engagement. Now we probably have a better understanding of interactive marketing. Interactive marketing is the evolving trend whereby marketing has moved from a transaction-based effort to a conversation, which leads to the changes in underlying approach and communication philosophy. Marketing is more about the ability to gather and remember the response of an individual and to address the individual's feedback. Interactive dialogue takes place where both sides pay attention to the other and the dialogue can be actively heard by the audience group. Consumers' shift to digital channels fuels the growth of interactive marketing. Forrester's research has shown that companies will spend $77 million by 2016 on interactive marketing. Mobile will take over email and social media to be the number one channel. So with such a broad future ahead, organizations need to focus on bringing marketing to the next level. The to-do list includes to incorporate content publishing with management strategy, build larger and more effective web analytics capability, marry web analytics with customer identification, and continue investment in infrastructure development and testing of the latest technologies. It's a challenge to transition from traditional marketing to interactive marketing. A lot of companies start with isolated standalone campaigns with a few digital elements here and there, lack of a well-managed capability. Fundamentally, to build an end-to-end interactive marketing infrastructure, companies need to start with goals and strategies and map out the short-term and long-term steps to reach the goal. It's important to have a team with necessary skill sets. Technology infrastructure and customer intelligence are also needed for the adoption of emerging technologies, integration of these technologies across channels, and significant automation of interactive programs. This is the foundation for interactive marketing practice. Without them, there is no customer recognition, targeting capability, and search engine optimization. We also need to know the financial value of the digital interaction. Building measurement that is highly synchronized across channel analytics with web, third parties, and customer behavior data integrated will provide accurate and predictive analytics and measurement of customer engagement. Companies usually have a wide range of customer touch points and interactions. Lots of work is needed to determine the relative importance of these touch points, synchronize minutes of customer interactions, and coordinate of messaging across organizations, so that each channel reinforced each other at each customer interaction point. Improvements in web capabilities and response measurement have created an explosion of new marketing channels and a host of new marketing challenges. There will be continued development in marketing technology and strategy that can be fused to create competitive advantage necessary to manage interactive marketing processes and the role of digital marketing message in organizations. So for interactive marketing, only the sky is the limit.